Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market, check out Bitcoin and Ethereum, let you know what my plans are a little bit with these two assets. But I will let you guys know that over here, and if you go to this area of my channel down here, put Mex C, guys, let you know that if you want to be able to get coins like Caspa that I talk about, that I think has potential to do a really good move over there. Mex C is one of the exchanges that I like to use, okay, for not only leverage trading, but also picking up coins that you can't find in other places, okay? So Mex C is pretty cool. I've had no issues with it. But again, guys, realize not your keys, not your coins, right? So don't hold more than you're willing to potentially lose on exchanges like that, guys. But like I said, I've had no issue with it. I think it's a pretty good system on Mex C. I have it down there in a thing, bottom of my page. And if you want to support the channel, use my link to sign up. That would be great if you could do that instead of making some donations and things like that. So I decided to go with these guys. I've had no issues with them. So far so good. They've been around since I think 2017, 2018. They've made it through the bear market, and you didn't hear anything much about them because they seem to be doing okay. But like I said, guys, protect yourself from any exchanges. You know what I'm saying? Like just have limited type of funds on there, limited amount of coins on these places. And if you do that, use your treasure or your ledger, you should be okay, and get yourself ready in 2023 to make some serious bank, okay? Because I think you have that potential. Now I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market and look at some assets and what is going to be going on today. So Bitcoin, I'm looking at Bitcoin, guys. We'll do a 4-hour chart. And Bitcoin is, I think it could be making a move down there. Is it done right there? It very well could be, guys. The signals has got some bullish divergence. It might be making a swing back up to swing back down, or this could be a flat up in this area or something like that. But the overall picture, in my opinion, with Bitcoin is that it made a flat move up there. So you have a three-wave move right in that area, three-wave move, a three-wave move, and it's coming down into a five-wave move. If it ended there, don't think so, but it could have, or back down here, back down there like that, guys. Okay, so sort of kind of like this. Like I said, it could be there. I have a long trade in Ethereum. I posted on Twitter on explain why I would be doing that. 3, maybe up for a 4, and then it could be going like something maybe down like that, or it could be done, guys. Just don't know quite yet, but see what the market's going to give us. I'll show you on Ethereum. At 1500, I put in a trade on Ethereum. So let me go over that. I'll explain to you why it's doing that. That's actually a pretty good signal for Ethereum right there. That dropped and now got sucked back up. Here's the deal. Ethereum looks a lot better, guys. If you see it right here, let me get rid of these indicators. And you can see here with Ethereum is that this Ethereum area is 1, 2, 3, 4, and did it finish right there? It could have, guys. It could have, but I still am planning for potentially like a 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5 back down. So I'll just be adding my positions on the way down, guys, if Ethereum does do that. So I have my leverage and things set up in a way with Ethereum where I have a lot of space. So I didn't go too high on the leverage, and I can just add to it and get ready for this move over here. Now, as if this is going to be bullish, don't know, but probably at a minimum, you'll have a 3-wave swing over there. Okay, so that's why I'm doing that. I just think the risk to reward is pretty good. And if you see the 4-hour RSI came down, you do have some bullish divergence. That's giving off signals of a bearish move. So just don't know yet. Stokes is up high on the 4-hour. So let's take a look at the daily. Back down there in the daily, it's got room to drop. The daily on the Stokes is way down there, guys. So it reset its whole cycle. You can see over there from this whole wave. So the Stokes is telling you that there's more likely some sort of reversal coming up over there, guys. Stokes is reset on the 12-hour RSI. 12-hour is almost into oversold territory on Ethereum. Can it come down some more? Very well could. Very well could. But I'd be looking for longs, guys, not shorts. I'd be looking for longs, not shorts. Just patiently wait for the setup. And then the 8-hour RSI is almost down, hit oversold territory. And there is a little bit of signals that it could be going up into some sort of correction to swing back down. So that's what I'm doing, waiting for that. So with Ethereum right here, guys, I'll show you guys here's what I'm looking for on Ethereum is that the ABC move. ABC move, okay? A, B, and then a C. Wherever it's going to end up, guys, like that, okay? So let's take a look at fib targets to see what Ethereum has potentially. Let's say that's the A, and here's your B. 1.618 with the wicks all together is still that area right there, guys. 1458, and that's the area that I'm expecting Ethereum to come to add more to my position for that move over there, guys. So it could, and it could, remember, it could come all the way down here too, guys. So those are potential targets with Ethereum. So I think it looks pretty good. The other reason why I'm pretty confident in that is B&B, in my opinion. If you look at B&B, guys, here on this 8-hour chart, okay, this is looking like it came down and it's finished its correction in this area, or it may have one more swing down, okay? So here's B&B's move. Let's take a look at B&B's move. Okay, based off this our RSI data, look at that 8-hour, it's all the way down to oversold. So here's the deal with it. This is how I'm looking at this move. B&B did 1, 2. Here's your 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, a 4 and a 5, just like that. And then this whole thing is your 3 wave, and it's coming down for an ABC. That's how I'm looking at that. So right in that area, I would be putting a, A, B, and then down for a C, could come lower. And that's what you have right there. Your flat, guys, is what I'm looking at just because of this data down here in B&B. So you take a look at B&B's 8-hour chart. 8-hour chart right here, guys. So B&B is probably getting ready to make another move here in the next week or two. You see here on the 8-hour RSI. So I'm going to explain to some people hidden bullish divergence. Okay, you got bearish divergence. You see, this is bearish divergence. So from this point to this point, you got bearish divergence. Okay, now this came down all the way down here, and it could have cleared that bearish divergence. Okay. So you got to move up here that could tell you, okay, it's bearish here. It corrected it. It could still go up. So you see, here's this other wave too. So I'm going to take that and go right there. You see that? And then this is from that point all the way up there. So from there to there, you have divergence, which is called hidden bullish divergence, okay? And trend continuation. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here playing around, got to do the correction, came back down, cleared everything, reset the cycle, and potentially over here is another move. Okay, that's how I'm looking at that, guys. It looks pretty darn good to me. And a lot of people are bearish. They're real bearish on the markets right now on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. But this could be it's, to me, it's just setting up for that area. Now, here's the other thing is too, what B&B could do is that this could be ABC, and it comes back to this area, and it decides to do X wave, ABC, drag this on a little bit longer. And if it does do that, then it'd be like, let's just say it's a zigzag ABC to come back over here again. Okay, that can happen. So then your wave 1's here, and then your 2 ends up over here. It might go a little bit deeper. Okay, so now if you're a bear on B&B, then this is all big 5-wave move, and then you're getting ready to do this, and then you swing back up, and it's going to swing back down over there, guys. So I don't think so. I think the higher probability is that you have a flat move in this area, just like all the other assets that are doing it. Okay, but I go through the list of assets and just compare them. They did it too. So let's go over the Cardano. There's a lot of Cardano fanboys out there. They like Cardano, and Cardano is doing the same thing, guys. I made a post about that on Twitter, And look what Cardano did. It hit the top of my box. It hit the top of my box. Is it done? Is it done? It could be. But that 34.25 and 33.41 could be potentially two targets. And could it wick through there? As long as it gets, this is the end of it too. 32.53 for Cardano. Okay. So for Cardano, it looks pretty good right here, guys. So there's your third wave peak. Maybe fifth of the third, back down, another fifth. So you got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? And then over here, Cardano, guys, like right in this area, it's kind of doing the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, potentially 3, or maybe it was there, 3, 4, and then back into this box area. And what you have with Cardano right here, guys, check this out. Check this out, okay? Like, make this simple for you. So what is this called right here? So let's say this is the primary wave 1. Primary wave 1, 3, right there. Okay, just like that. Come back over here into this area, just like so. A, B, and then back down, let's say right there. Okay, and right there like that. So what is that called right there? Now, don't get me wrong. Like Cardano could be start doing some goofy stuff back over here, right? It might go A, B, C, and then come over here and do another ABC like that, and end up like bottom of that fourth wave. You got to realize that too. But what is that move right there? You got to move right here. It could be 1, 2, and it could be going into a 3, 4, 5. Or if you're a bear, at a minimum, you got a 5 wave move right there, and you got a B wave move over here, and then you got a C wave move over there. And you could expect this C wave to be about as big as that A wave right over there, guys, okay, on Cardano. So Cardano, I made videos about this a while back. You know, I was trying to find a bottom on this thing, and 38, and it finally came out, and 24 cents was the bottom. I said, that guy's probably a bottom, or at least a local bottom. But you have a good shot, in my opinion, that may be the bottom, okay, guys? So for Cardano, this is a good area to get it. Now, it can go deeper. It can go deeper. However, don't expect it to go too much deeper until it starts getting this RSI over here. It's some sort of complex correction, and then it can drag it down. That can't happen over here with Cardano, guys. You know, like here it is in this area, correction, swing it back up, and then it could do something over there, and then it might end up in this area. I hope the corrections don't take that long, but they can, very well can. So let's see the 12-hour chart. 12-hour. Almost reset it. Let's check the 6-hour. 6-hour almost reset it. 4-hour. 4-hour almost reset the whole cycle over there, guys. Take a look at the Stokes on Cardano, see what we got, what it's got going on higher time frames. So let me check this out, guys. Let's check this out on Cardano, see what Stokes is telling us. Okay, Stokes is telling us here on the 4-hour, looks like it might be a corrective move up, guys. It could be a corrective. You see it up here in the Stokes, and that's up there a little bit. It's going to swing back down more than likely. 8-hour. Yeah, possibly too. Possibly. Don't think it's done there. Probably has another swing back around. 12-hour. It's down there at the bottom of the barrel. Down there at the bottom of the barrel. So that looks good. That looks good. And down here, and you see that, guys? Down there at the bottom of the barrel. Stokes RSI on the daily told you the Cardano's resetting that cycle, guys. Not only in the RSI, the Stokes is too. So here we're over here, and then you see there's the bottom of it right there. That's your divergence on that one, and now you have a bunch of massive amount of hidden bullish divergence on Cardano, guys. So if you're a Cardano fanboy, or you know, this is the area to be looking to start accumulating some Cardano, in my opinion. If you're doing that, I'm just I'm not too much into Cardano, but I go to the overall picture. I let people know about Cardano, you know, what I told, the potential, what it could do. I think maybe, depending on how bullish the cryptocurrency market gets, you know, somewhere near 10x, something like that on Cardano. It's not going to have a massive wave like it did last time. Yeah, a pretty decent wave, you know, pretty decent wave. You get 10x, you go, you're not going to find that, you know, it'll be a solid play. I'll just say that, guys. There's a lot of, you know, people are behind it. You know, it has a good community. That's what's good for Cardano. Good community, which means it has Pumpability. That's what that really means, guys. Does it have a strong community? Yeah, let's call it what it is. Let's call it what it is. They want to know, is there a whole bunch of people could buy this crap and pump it? Okay, that's what that means. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.